Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix the white screen problem on your iPhone. If in the case that your phone keeps on having this problem, that it comes to a white screen, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Now there are multiple ways in order for us to solve this issue, but one of the quickest ways that we can do as a normal consumer without any backgrounds or technician backgrounds as well is to go ahead and proceed with doing a force restart. So how do we do this said force restart on our iPhone devices? Well, one of the quickest and easiest way to do this is to go ahead and basically tapping on the volume up and volume down buttons, but just give them a quick tap and then also release them right away. And once that is done, the third step to doing a force restart on our iPhone is to press and hold the power buttons, which is gonna be located on the right-hand side of our devices until the Apple logo appears. Now doing this will commence the force restart on your iPhone and will also ultimately solve the white screen problem on it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and take care.